President Bolsonaro of Brazil test positive for coronavirus after months of denying the seriousness of the pandemic and brushing aside protective measures. Mr. Bolsonaro felt symptoms of COVID-19. More than 65,000 Brazilians have died of the coronavirus. President Jair Bolsonaro of Brazil said that the demand of the job put him at risk of contracting the virus. President Jair Bolsonaro disclosed Tuesday that he has the coronavirus, turbocharging the debate over his cavalier handling of a pandemic that has killed more than 65,000 Brazilians. Mr. Bolsonaro has repeatedly downplayed the seriousness of the pandemic, opposed measures to stem its spread, and encouraged mass rallies of his supporters. At one point, he dismissed the virus as a measly cold. When asked in late April about the rising death toll, he replied, "So what? Sorry, but what do you want me to do?" Speaking to the journalists outside the palace shortly afternoon on Tuesday, Mr. Bolsonaro said he had taken a test after experiencing fatigue, muscle pain, and a fever. He said the demands of his job had put him at the risk. "I am the president. I have to be on the front line of the fight," he said. He compared the virus to rain which is going to get to you. Mr. Bolsonaro said he was feeling well, which he credited to having taken hydroxychloroquine, an anti-malaria drug that the studies show does not ward off the virus. "I am fine, I am very well," Mr. Bolsonaro said, standing a few feet away from journalists and taking off his mask so reporters could see his face. "Thank you to all those who prayed for me, cheered for me. Those who have criticized, no problem, you can continue to criticize at will." Even as several of Mr. Bolsonaro's aides have tested positive for the virus in recent months, the president has often eschewed precautions like wearing a mask and practicing social distancing. Most recently, he attended a luncheon hosted on Saturday by the American ambassador in Brazil to celebrate the 4th of July holiday. In photos, participants are seen standing shoulder to shoulder or embarrassing without wearing a mask. As Brazilians awaited the result of the president's latest coronavirus test, messages posted on social media illustrated how politically polarized the country had become.